हाई फ्रेन्ड्स, वेलकम टु लर्निक्स नेपाली। फेरि तपाईँ सबैलाई म स्वागत गर्छु मेरो च्यानलमा। अनि आज मैले तपाईहरुको लागि 100 इंग्लिश सेन्टेन्सेस लिएर आएको छु जसले तपाईको स्पोकन इंग्लिशलाई धेरै मैक्सिमाइज गर्नेछ। तपाई मेरो च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नु होला अनि बेलको आइकनलाई तपाईले दबाउन नभुल्नु होला। जति पनि म भिडियो बनाउँछु त्यो तपाईले तुरन्त पाकोस्। आउनुस् हामी वाक्यहरु हेर्ने छौं। मलाई कम न समझा। Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. यो तपाईको गलतफहमी हो। It's your misunderstanding. It's your misunderstanding. म तिम्रो कसम खान्छु। I swear by you. I swear by you. के तिमीसँग पैसा छैन? Don't you have money? Don't you have money? Don't you have money? आफ्नो गोजीबाट पैसा निकाला। Take out the money from your pocket. Take out the money from your pocket. मसँग खुल्ला पैसा छैन। I don't have change. I don't have change. सायद कसैले मेरो पैसा चोर्यो। Perhaps someone has stolen my money. Perhaps भनेको सायद हो। मेरो माथि शक नगर। Don't doubt on me. Don't doubt on me. नरिसाऊ। Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. उसलाई नकरौ। Don't shout at him. Don't shout at him. आफ्नो रिस थुक देऊ। Spit out your anger. Spit out your anger. के तिमी ठीक छौ? Are you all right? Are you all right? यो राम्रो कुरो होइन। It's not good thing. It's not good thing. आज उसलाई I love you भन। Say I love you to her today. पछि नपस्ताउनु। Don't regret later. तिमीसँग अवसर छ। You have opportunity. You have opportunity. यसलाई नगुमाऊ। Don't lose it. Don't lose it. नलजाऊ। Don't feel shy. Don't feel shy. उसकोमा जाऊ। केटीलाई भनेपछि go to her हुन्छ, केटालाई चाहिँ go to him। मेरो आँखामा हेर। Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. उसलाई भन्नु है। Say to him, okay? Say to him, okay? Say to him, okay? नडराऊ। Don't panic. Don't panic. नडराऊ भनेको don't panic। म सहमत छु तिमीसँग। I agree with you. I agree with you. के भन्न खोजेको तिमीले? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? कुरा के हो भने It is the thing that. It is the thing that. It is the thing that. म तपाई जति राम्रो छुइनँ। I am not as good as you are. I am not as good as you are. यो के बकवास हो? What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? मसँग धेरै समय छैन। I don't have much time. I don't have much time. मसँग धेरै समय छैन। तिमी किन दुखी छौ? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? आफ्नो माथि विश्वास राख. Believe in you. Believe in you. Believe in you. तिम्रो जोडी राम्रो छ. You are good couples. You are good couples. के उनीहरू विवाहित हुन्? Are they married? Are they married? आफ्नो आँखा बन्द गर. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. उसको बारेमा नसोच. Don't think about her. Don't think about her. अहिले तिम्रो शरीर कस्तो छ? How is your health now? How is your health now? How is your health now? पहिला भन्दा राम्रो. Better than before. Better than before. पहिला भन्दा राम्रो. डाक्टरले के भन्यो? What did doctor say? What did doctor say? तिमी छिटो निको हुनेछौ. You will get well soon. You will get well soon. तिमी छिटो निको हुनेछौ. भगवानको दयाले. By God's grace. भगवानको दयाले. कसैले सोधे तिमी कस्तो छौ? भगवानको दयाले राम्रो छु. त्यति बेला भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. मलाई झ्याउ नगर. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. मलाई झ्याउ नगर. म तिम्रो घाँटी दबाइदिन्छु. I will choke you. म तिम्रो घाँटी दबाइदिन्छु. I will choke you. I will choke you. म तिमीलाई मार्छु. I will kill you. I will kill you. म तिमीलाई चक्कु हान्दिन्छु. I will stab you. I will stab you. चक्कु हान्नु भनेको stab. खाना नबनाऊ आज. Don't make food today. Don't make food today. यसले के हुँदैन? यसले केही हुँदैन. Nothing will happen with it. Nothing will happen with it. ड्युटी मा ध्यान देऊ. Focus on duty. Focus on duty. तिमीले कुछ अलग गर्नुपर्छ. You have to do something different. You have to do something different. मलाई निराश नगर. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. मलाई तिमीसँग धेरै आशा छ. I have a lot of hopes with you. I have a lot of hopes with you. म यही त चाहन्थे. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. अलि बाहिर हेर्नु त. Just look outside. Just look outside. राति सधैँ पानी पर्छ. It rains daily at night. It rains daily at night. It rains daily at night. आज पानी पर्न सक्छ. It may rain today. यही त हेर्नु चाहन्थे. This is what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see. के तपाईं खाली हुनुहुन्छ? Are you free? Are you free? मेरो यो काम गर्देऊ त. Do my this work. Do my this work. म तपाईको आभारी छु. I am grateful to you. यानी कि म तपाईदेखि धेरै आभारी छु भन्दा I am grateful to you. मलाई नजिस्काऊ. Don't mock me. Mock भनेको जिस्काउनु. Don't mock me. मलाई नजिस्काऊ. हिँड यहाँबाट बाहिर निक्लौं. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. मलाई ढिलो हुँदैछ. I am getting late. I am getting late. मलाई घर छिटो पुग्न छ। I have to reach early at home. I have to reach early at home. तिमी कसरी ढिलो भयौ? What took you long? What took you long? तिमी किन बुझ्दैनौ? Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand? तिमी किन बुझ्दैनौ? तिमीले सधैँ आफ्नो चलाउँछौ. You always boss around. You always boss around. गल्ती मान्छेबाट हुन्छ. To err is human. यो एउटा idioms हो. तपाईले यसलाई भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ यसरी. कति समय बाँचेको छ? How much time left? How much time left? मलाई अर्को बाटोमा छोड्दिनु. मलाई अर्को बाटोमा छोड्दिनु. Drop me at next crossing. Drop me at next crossing. मलाई पर छोड्देऊ त. कसैलाई भन्दा चाहिँ तपाईले भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. See me off there. See me off there. यसलाई राख. Put it. Put it. यसलाई राख. Put it. यसलाई खाऊ. Have it. Have it. यसलाई खाऊ. Have it. यसमा फुका. Blow on it. Blow on it. Blow on it. यो तातो छ. It's hot. It's hot. मेरो सुर्ता नगर. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. मेरो सुर्ता नगर. चप्पल लाएर भित्र नआऊ. Don't come inside wearing slippers. Don't come inside wearing slippers. तिम्रो चप्पल बाहिर निकाला. Take your slippers out. Take your slippers out. Take your slippers out. म माथि नहाँस. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. म माथि नहाँस. आफूलाई सुधार. Mend your ways. आफ्नो बानी बेहोरा सुधार भन्दा mend your ways. आफ्नो बानी परिवर्तन गर. Change your behavior. Change your behavior. मैले आफ्नो पैसा घरमा बिर्से. मैले आफ्नो पैसा घरमा बिर्से. I forgot my money at home. लिनुहोस् चाबी. Here's the key. Here is the key. तपाईं त्यहाँ आउनुहोस्. You come there. You come there. तपाईं त्यहाँ आउनुहोस् भन्दा you come there. धेरै नदेखाऊ. Don't show off. Don't show off. यसलाई पकेटमा हाल. Put it into the pocket. Put it into the pocket. म सबै बुझ्छु. I understand everything. I understand everything. तिम्रो बोली तितो छ. You have bitter tongue. You have bitter tongue. Bitter भनेको तितो. अरूलाई नराम्रो नभन्नु. Don't speak ill of others. Don't speak ill of others. अरूलाई नराम्रो नभन्नु. तिमीले मेरो मनको कुरा भन्यौ. You spoke my mind. You spoke my mind. म यही भन्न चाहन्थे. This is what I wanted to speak. This is what I wanted to speak. कार त्यहाँ राख. Park the car over there. Park the car over there. यहाँदेखि निक्ल. Get out of here. Get out of here. यहाँ भिड नगर. Don't gather here. Don't gather here. Don't gather here. मसँग मुख नलागा. Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. मलाई बुझ्ने कोसिस गर. Try to understand me. Try to understand me. Try to understand me. मेरो गल्ती छैन. I am not at fault. I am not at fault. I am not at fault. के तिमीले यही चाहन्थ्यौ? Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted? तिमीले मेरो मन जित्यौ. You won my heart. You won my heart. आशा छ फ्रेन्ड्स तपाईहरुलाई यो 100 जुन चाहिँ वाक्य सेन्टेन्सेसहरु थियो त्यो राम्रो लाग्यो अनि तपाईको इंग्लिशलाई अझै म्याक्सिमाइज गर्नेछ. सब्स्क्राइब गर्न अनि लाइक गर्न नबिर्सनु होला.